before I start this, okay. I feel like I need to have, like, my character needs to have a mustache and, like, a top hat with a monocle. Because it makes the character look so much smarter. I don't care if it's gonna take 5 more hours of editing. I'm doing it. This is how it will look. Hello there. I didn't see you, other than the fact that I know that you're in the room, in front of the screen, on the smart board, watching this, or you're asleep. It's one of the two. I'd rather be asleep right now, too. You're not alone. Okay, just before I start this video will be a lot different than the last video. The last video that I made, the book talk one, was funny somehow. It wasn't supposed to be funny. But I covered 2 of the, like, I don't know, 6 or 7 topics. And, you know, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get a bad mark on that, but I'll actually do information on this one and less jokes. So, okay, my question was, list the major organs associated with each human organ system? I don't know. But I'm about to rant. I am now rice gum. Yes. Okay, 4th try, I'm doing the steak. Okay, so, Miss Corkin, I'm looking at you in the back of the classroom, or you're sitting in Kira's desk, because you like taking your desk. Okay, so you tell us to go into a group, then you tell us to split the questions. But I'm like, yeah, okay, it might be a group project, but let's put it all into one presentation. But no, you tell us to split up the presentation. That is a solo project. But if you do that, just for my group, I'm not sure if anyone else had these problems. Greg's question is, what are organs provide example? And mine is, list the major organs associated with each system. It's the same question. Now we're gonna look like we copied each other. Like, just make it a solo project, please. Okay, here's the main gist of the whole thing. I'm gonna tell you what the basic gist of each system is. Then, I'm gonna go tell you the organs. So, the circulatory system pumps blood and supplies oxygen to the rest of the organs and cells so they can live. Major organs are heart, veins, blood vessels. Respiratory system. It helps you get oxygen into the blood so it can give the oxygen to other things. And yeah, it's confusing. Major organs are lungs, windpipe, blood vessels. Okay, insert here. It'll be on the screen. Just watch the screen, because I'm not going to say it, because I've already failed a million times. You can watch the bloopers later if you'd like. Okay, so the insert name here system breaks down food, turns it into energy. Organs include mouth, esophagus, stomach, liver, pancreas, large and small intestines, and Uranus. Next is the musculoskeletal system. Gives the body its structure, supports it, and protects the innards from harm. You don't want your organs spilling out everywhere, do you? I hope not. Because if you do, that's weird and you'll get something checked. Okay. Organs are bones and muscles. That's about it. Okay, after 2 that I cannot pronounce, we have the nervous system. So it just responds to changes in the environment. So if you burn yourself, the nervous system helps you move your hand away. So, and the main organ would be the brain, spinal cord, sensory organs, eyes, ears, mouth, nose, taste buds. I just repeated myself twice. And it just helps you do everything in general. So thank your nervous system as well as your brain. Thank them both. Okay, the major tissue is pelican. I don't know. Muscle, nerve, and connective. Those are the 4 major tissues that are used to make organs. So, I think that's about it. That's the end. See, I told you it would be different. At least I hope it was different. If not, I'm probably going to get a bad mark, because if it wasn't different, I wouldn't have presented any information. It'll just be like all random stuff that tried to make people laugh. But I didn't try to make people laugh. I don't know why the last one was funny, so it wasn't funny. This is my serious face. Oh, I almost forgot about the video. Well, because of the magic of video editing, I can put the video in this video. Videoception. Well, here's the video. You can watch it if you want. If not, it's fine. I don't really care.
Hello, are you ready to go into a place not many humans will venture into? A doctor. He'll be your favorite helper, but he will explore organs, some weird thing that nobody knows, and the brain. Find out next time what happens. We're going to be entering the most dangerous part of the human body. This is a documentary by Bear Grylls. No one.
Yeah, just kidding. Here's the real video because I want to get a good mark.
The brain is the control center of the nervous system and is located within the skull. Its functions include muscle control, coordination, sensory reception, integration, speech production, memory storage, and elaboration of thought and emotion. Lungs are 2 sponge-like cone-shaped structures that fill most of the chest cavity. Their essential function is to provide oxygen from inhaled air to the bloodstream and to exhale carbon dioxide. The liver. The liver lies on the right side of the abdominal cavity beneath the diaphragm. Its main function is to process the contents of the blood to ensure that its composition remains the same. This process involves breaking down fats, producing urea, filtering harmful substances, and maintaining a proper level of glucose in the blood. Kidneys are two bean-shaped organs located at the back of the abdominal cavity, one on each side of the spinal column. Their function is to maintain body's chemical balance by excreting waste products and excess fluid in the form of urine. The heart. Heart is a hollow muscular organ that pumps blood through the blood vessels by repeated rhythmic contractions. The stomach. Stomach is a muscular, elastic, pear-shaped bag lying crosswise in the abdominal cavity beneath the diaphragm. Its main purpose is digestion of food through production of gastric juices, break down, mix and churn the food into a thin liquid. The intestines. Intestines are located between the stomach and the anus. They are divided into two major sections, the small intestine and the large intestine. The function of the small intestine is to absorb most indigested food. The large intestine is responsible for absorption of water and excretion of solid waste material. All these are important internal organs of the body.